As an architect, the right design software can help you realize and express your vision. It can also improve the way you work. Architects recognize that building information modeling is a powerful collaborative process for conceptualizing, documenting, and communicating building designs. AutoDesk Revit software for BIM is a tool for multidiscipline design that connects teams and tools and extends design to detailing. That means that in addition to being built for architects, Revit is for the MEP and structural engineers, as well as construction professionals who are part of a project team. The benefit? With everyone collaborating in a common BIM environment, you can more easily coordinate and share model data. Architects experience the unique benefits of Revit through all stages of the design process. Starting with the early stages of conceptual design, explore ideas with sketches and massing studies. Then translate conceptual designs into BIM data within Revit, moving from sketching to detailed design. Use the Dynamo computational design tool with Revit to automatically generate design options and complex forms based on your constraints and objectives. Modeling in Revit, responsive 3D models free you to focus on architectural design. Add architectural elements to the building's model. Place intelligent elements such as walls, doors, and windows only once. And Revit will automatically create accurate floor plans, elevations, sections, schedules, 3D views, and renderings. Revit automatically refreshes when you make a change, so your model is always updated. Revit analysis tools inform decisions during the design process and help you understand your design before it is built. Use Insight within Revit to visualize and interact with building performance indicators and create analytical models. Architecture is visual. With Revit, you can create photorealistic visualizations that speak for themselves and help communicate design intent. Produce project documentation with cutaways and 3D views from any angle, as well as stereo panoramas to extend your design to virtual reality. Connect design to construction with documents that provide the essential details needed to build a design. Revit sits at the center of a connected and interoperable set of solutions that further extend its power for conceptual design, analysis, collaboration, and visualization. For architects, Revit BIM software connects the teams, tools, and data you need to deliver the high-quality work that retains and wins new business.